The Sand-Dollar Kids returned to the beach to search for treasures. In this kid's story, with a life lesson about kindness and compassion for others, they played together every day after school, and they always shared their toys and their snacks. Once upon a time, in a small coastal town, nestled between rolling hills and the vast ocean, lived two best friends, Lily and Sam. They were inseparable. His name was Ben, and he had moved to town a few weeks ago. Despite living so close to the beach, Ben had yet to experience its joys. He spent his days indoors. They proposed a treasure hunt, an adventure that would cheer him up and make him forget about his troubles. They drew a map leading to imaginary islands filled with hidden treasures. The map was filled with twists and turns, each marking a fun activity like jumping over waves, collecting colorful pebbles, or making a wish upon a sea star. Should they continue their treasure hunt without the trapped animals, or should they stop and try to help? Its tiny tail curled into a graceful loop, and its back shimmered with shades of blue and green. The sun shone brightly, casting a golden glow over the beach. A gentle breeze rustled through the palm trees, and the sound of seagulls filled the air. It was as if nature itself was celebrating their good deed. It was clear that the seahorse was grateful for being rescued, and everyone present felt a sense of accomplishment. With Ben's recent experience of feeling helpless fresh in their minds, Lily and Sam knew what they had to do. Do you think Ben learned a valuable lesson that day? It's story time. So grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let your creativity run wild. Draw a picture of Lily, Sam, or Ben having their grand adventure at the beach. Don't forget to share your masterpiece with us. We can't wait to see what you've created. What about Lily and Sam? Do you think they also learned something? Maybe about themselves and their own strength? Share your thoughts in the comments below. They confronted the children, asking them to release the creatures. As they watched the freed animals swim happily away, they understood that the true joy in life lay not in material possessions, but in making the world a better place. So keep being kind, keep being helpful, and never stop believing in the magic of friendship. Until next time, happy coloring, and keep exploring the world, for it's full of wonders waiting to be discovered. He was no longer the sad, lonely boy who had started the day. Now he felt a sense of belonging, knowing he wasn't just a kid with a broken arm, but a friend who had made a difference. The day ended with a shared picnic lunch, filled with laughter, games, and newfound friendship. Ben, feeling accepted and valued, finally started to heal. Not just his arm, but his spirit, too. The rescued seahorse became a symbol of their adventure, a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness could bring light into someone's life. Just like how the clearing of the clouds brought sunshine to their day. At first, the other kids laughed at them, but Lily and Sam stood firm, arguing that it wasn't funny to cause pain to living things. Their words sparked a heated debate, with some siding with Lily and Sam and others supporting the pranksters. And Purple, Lily, Sam and Ben walked home together, their steps lighter, their hearts fuller. The beach had once again given them so much more than just sand and sea. It had given them a valuable lesson in kindness, compassion, and the true meaning of friendship. And they knew that this was a treasure they would carry with them for the rest of their lives. But eventually, thanks to the efforts of Lily and Sam, the trapped animals were freed, and everyone took a moment to appreciate the importance of kindness and empathy. You see? Ben had fallen off the monkey bars at the playground and fractured his arm. The first clue led them to a patch of soft, white sand where they had to dig for buried treasure. Lily, with her infectious laughter, unearthed a small wooden box. Inside was a message that read, "Kindness is the greatest treasure of all." Next, the map guided them to a cluster of rocks where they had to work together to move them and reveal another message. Share your joy with others. This one puzzled them. They pondered for a moment until Sam exclaimed, "Oh, we're supposed to help someone else have fun too!" Realizing the next clue was hidden somewhere nearby, they returned to the spot where they'd found the first treasure. There they discovered a tiny hermit crab. One of the messages read, "Free this crab from its shell so it can live more comfortably." Relieved to be of service, Lily gently nudged the crab's shell, allowing it to scuttle away into the vast ocean. Then to top it all off, he'd been teased by some older kids, so he'd retreated home, feeling isolated and dejected. After much anticipation, they found it. Your true treasure awaits. Confused, They looked around until they noticed a group of children gathered near some rocks. As they approached, they saw that the children were trapping sea creatures in the shallow water, laughing and reveling in their distress. They packed a picnic lunch, grabbed their buckets and shovels and headed out. They decided to approach Ben. "Hi," said Lily with a warm smile. He didn't seem interested in building sandcastles or searching for seashells. Instead, he sat quietly, occasionally tossing small pebbles into the water. Concerned, Lily and Sam sat beside him, asking him if everything was all right. Ben hesitated, then confided in them, explaining that he was bored of being stuck at home and missed playing with other kids. "We're having a great time here. Why don't you come and play with us?" Ben looked up, startled by their cheerful voices. He mumbled a response, still feeling shy and a little self-conscious. The beach was their sanctuary, a place where they could build sand, collect seashells, and explore rock pools teeming with tiny creatures. One day during the summer holidays, Lily and Sam decided to spend the day at the beach, which was just a stone's throw away from their houses. Upon reaching the shore, Lily noticed a peculiar sight: a young boy sitting alone on a rock, shoulders slumped, eyes fixed on the ground. Lily and Sam, known for their sunny disposition and welcoming nature, couldn't bear to see anyone feeling down, especially not on such a beautiful day at the beach. As the trio began to play, Lily and Sam noticed that Ben wasn't fully engaged. Touched by Ben's story, Lily and Sam came up with a plan. With the map in hand, the three friends set off on their grand adventure. The final clue led them to a secluded cove where they searched for messages in the sand. At this point in the story, our young protagonists had a decision to make. And then something remarkable happened. From under the rocks, a tiny seahorse emerged. It was the most beautiful seahorse anyone had ever seen. But the surprise didn't end there. Suddenly, the sky cleared up after being overcast for days. In that moment, Lily and Sam realized that helping others and showing compassion were the greatest treasures one could find. Ben, who had been silently observing, couldn't help but smile as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange. So that's the story of how Lily, Sam, and Ben's day at the beach turned into a valuable life lesson and a newfound friendship. And now it's time for you to embark on your own adventure. And remember, just like Lily and Sam, you have the power to make the world a brighter place.